I never imagined celebrating my 34th birthday in this place, on a remote beach in the Lofoten Islands, under a sun that never sets. No big parties, no fancy venues, just the raw beauty of the Arctic summer, and a few people who feel like home.
Bella giornata, Vani, visto che roba!
Sono per te, sono contenta,
Anche io devo dire.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday,
We started the day with a hike, climbing higher, laughing louder, feeling lighter with every step. It's funny how the mountains seem to give you exactly what you need, even when you don't know you need it. And then this, a surprise I never saw coming. A beach gathering planned by friends, filled with warmth, music, and the kind of joy you can't fake. There is something about celebrating in nature, where time slows down and you remember what truly matters. At 34, I don't need much, just the sea, the light, and the people who show up when it counts. This is my Arctic birthday, and it's one I will never forget. There is something that happens when summer arrives in the Lofoten Islands. Even after living here for years, it still surprises me. The days get longer, the sun stays up all night, and suddenly I just want to be outside all the time. Hiking was always been one of my favorite ways to enjoy this place. Not just the famous trails or the Instagram spots, but the quiet ones. The ones you only hear about from locals. The ones where you can walk for hours and not see another person. When I hike, I feel more connected to the landscape, to the moment, and honestly to myself. So my friends surprised me. They knew I had this one hike on my bucket list, Hollandsmellen. It's not a hard hike, it's actually pretty easy. Not too steep, but the views, so worth it. You get this amazing panorama over Hoogland and Utakleif, two of my favorite beaches. You could see the curve of the coastline, the white sand, the turquoise water, and the mountains all around us. It was such a simple plan, but honestly, the best birthday gift. After the hike, we headed straight to Utakleif, one of my absolutely favorite beaches for watching the midnight sun. It's a popular spot, but so easy to reach and always feels magical, especially with those dreamy little ships just casually roaming around like they own the place. My friends had everything planned. Blankets, a full spread of food, and the best part, not one, but 2 homemade healthy cakes. Yep, they really know me. We sat by the sea, the sun hanging low on the horizon, just talking, laughing, eating, and soaking in that golden Arctic glow. Honestly, it was simple and perfect.